Welcome back everyone. Do you want to explore YouTube on your mobile phone but don't want to leave traces of what video you have watched and what you have searched for? YouTube now has a feature where you can enable incognito mode. In incognito mode, none of your video history or your search history is saved, just like how the incognito mode for Google Chrome works. So open your YouTube app. Now tap on your profile photo at the top right. Then at the top of the list, tap on Turn on Incognito. This will return you back to the YouTube app and you'll see a message at the bottom of the app stating you're incognito. Now you can watch videos and search for anything and nothing will be tracked. To turn off incognito mode, just tap on the incognito icon at the top right. Then from the bottom menu, tap on Turn off incognito. This will turn off incognito mode for YouTube app and will return you back to your account. And that is how to enable incognito mode on your YouTube app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and enable bell notifications for future videos. Also, make sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.